So this is my 4-foot tank. It has Satan in it, probably 35cm red devil male, and Puffy, my female blood parrot. We've already bred once. I'll do an update video of the fry soon. You'll be able to see that next. Yeah, the fry became so aggressive. They started eating poor Satan. He was swimming around with his mouth open, and they were even swimming in his mouth and biting his mouth, his fins, his eyes. They're just like pure evil. And they're puppies. They're evils. Come say hello. Come on. Not doing a great deal at the moment. I've just been fed, so that's their fry. Hey man, it's Dawn's. Chillin'. He's a big boy. I don't know why he does that. If you know, feel free to comment. She does it too sometimes.